Well, I'd rather be an F4 jock than the governor of New York State. Now, the governor's got him a pretty good job, and I suppose he thinks it's great. But dropping ape and strafing trucks are two things he don't know. And I couldn't fill the governor's shoes, 'cause I couldn't spend all of that dough. I'd rather be an F4 jock than the owner of old Fort Knox. And I like the smell of JP4 better than a rosewood box. Hydraulic fluid and afterburner fumes just some kind of turn me on. Feller, I'm happier flying F4Ds than a hound dog gnawing a bone. Well, I'd rather be an F4 jock than the Air Force Chief of Staff. One good reason I ain't got the rank, right here you're supposed to laugh. It's a lot more fun just dropping bombs and hassling 2 on 2. So I'll just stick to my gunnery range and fly in the Phantom 2. But one of these days I'll light my fire and aim it straight at the sky. And you'll hear me shout as I disappear that a Phantom is a way to fly. I'll do a high-speed pass by the pearly gates about 1.65 Mach. And I'll tell St. Peter if he don't mind, just make me an F4 jock.